What if tomorrow morning you switch on your computer and every single file, your documents, databases, customer records is logged? A red screen appears. Your files have been encrypted. Pay $5 million in Bitcoin within 72 hours or lose everything. This is not a movie scenario, this is ransomware. And in 2026, ransomware is no longer just a crime. It's a billion-dollar criminal industry capable of shutting down hospitals, governments, banks, and global enterprises. In today's video, we will cover everything you need to know about ransomware attacks, what they are, how they work step by step, why they are so dangerous in 2026, real attack trends, and most importantly, how to protect yourself and your organization. Let's begin. So what is ransomware attack? Ransomware is a type of malicious software, malware designed to block access to systems or encrypt critical data until a ransom is paid. Once inside a victim's systems, ransomware encrypts important files using strong cryptographic algorithms, makes them inaccessible, displays a ransom demand, requires payment, usually in cryptocurrency. In modern attacks, encryption is only part of the problem. Today's attackers also steal sensitive data before encryption. If the victim refuses to pay, criminals threaten to leak confidential information publicly. This is called double extortion, and in 2026 this has become standard practice. Why ransomware is used? Ransomware exists for one primary reason: money. But the impact goes far beyond financial gain. Cyber criminal groups use ransomware to force organizations to pay millions in ransom, disrupt business operations, paralyze hospitals and critical infrastructure, steal intellectual property, blackmail companies, damage brand reputation. Ransomware has become popular among criminals because it is scalable, it is profitable, cryptocurrency enables anonymous payments, and ransomware as a service makes it easy to launch attacks. Yes, today you can literally rent ransomware like a subscription service. Chapter 3: How ransomware attacks work. Step by step. Let's break down a modern ransomware attack. Step 1: Initial access. Attackers gain entry through phishing emails, malicious attachments, fake login pages, unpatched vulnerabilities, stolen credentials, remote desktop protocol, RDP, exposure, cloud misconfiguration. In 2026, AI-generated phishing emails look extremely realistic and highly personalized. Even experienced employees get fooled. Step 2: Establishing persistence. Once inside, attackers install backdoors, escalate privileges, disable security tools, move literally across the network. They may stay hidden for days or even weeks. This stage is called dwell time. The goal is to gain maximum access before launching the encryption phase. Step 3: Data exfiltration. Before encrypting anything, attackers steal sensitive files, copy databases, extract customer information, collect internal communications. This is used later for blackmail. Step 4: Encryption. Now the ransomware activates. It encrypts files, servers, network shares, sometimes even backups. The encryption algorithms used are extremely strong, often military-grade cryptography. Without the encryption key, recovery is nearly impossible. Step 5: Ransom demand. A ransom note appears with payment instructions, a deadline, cryptocurrency wallet address, contact details on the dark web. If payment is delayed, the ransom increases, data may be leaked, and additional attacks may follow. Chapter 4: Types of ransomware. Let's explore the main categories. Number 1 is crypto ransomware. It encrypts files and demands payment for decryption. Number 2 is locker ransomware. It locks the entire system or device. Double extortion ransomware. It encrypts and steals data for blackmail. Number 3 is triple extortion ransomware. It adds extra pressures such as DDoS attacks, regulatory complaints, contacting customers directly. Number 5 is ransomware as a service. Criminal developers create ransomware kits and rent them to affiliates. This has industrialized cybercrime. Chapter 5, Ransomware Landscape in 2025 to 2026. By 2026, ransomware attacks have reached record-breaking levels. Key trends include attacks increasing year after year, targeting of healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and government sectors. Surge in attacks on small and medium-sized businesses. Multi-million-dollar ransom demands. AI-assisted phishing campaigns. Automated vulnerability scanning. Ransomware is no longer random. It is strategic, intelligence-driven, and highly organized. Chapter 6, Real-world impact of ransomware. It can lead to complete business shutdown, data loss, financial loss from ransom and downtime, legal penalties, regulatory fines, reputation damage, loss of customer trust, emotional stress for employees, and in some cases, companies never recover. Hospitals have had to cancel surgeries, manufacturers have halted production, governments have lost access to critical services. Ransomware is not just an IT problem, it is a business survival issue. Chapter 7 is how to protect against ransomware. Now let's discuss protection, the most important part. Number 1, maintain regular backups. Use offline backups, immutable backups, test restoration regularly. Backups are your last line of defense. Number 2, patch and update systems. Keep operating systems updated, applications patched, firmware secure. Most ransomware exploits known vulnerabilities. Number 3 is strong email security. Deploy advanced spam filtering, attachment scanning, AI-based phishing detection. Number 4 is endpoint detection and response. Modern EDR solutions detect ransomware behavior early and stop encryption in progress. Number 5 is multi-factor authentication. MFA dramatically reduces credential-based attacks. Number 6 is least privilege principle. Limit user permissions. If one account is compromised, damage stays limited. Number 7 is network segmentation. Separate critical systems and prevent lateral movement. Number 8 is security awareness training. Train them regularly. Simulate phishing tests. Number 9 is incident response plan. Have a documented ransomware response plan. Test it, update it, practice it. Preparation reduces panic. Chapter 8, Should you pay the ransom? Law enforcement agencies and cybersecurity experts advise against paying because there is no guarantee you will get your data back. Criminals may still leak your data. It funds future attacks. It increases your chance of being targeted again. Prevention is always better than negotiation. As ransomware attacks continue to evolve in 2026, one thing is clear. Cybersecurity is no longer optional. It's a business need. If you are a business owner, IT manager, startup founder, or enterprise leader, now is the time to evaluate your security before attackers do. At Apprise Cyber, we specialize in ransomware risk assessments, vulnerability scanning, and penetration testing, security architecture design, endpoint and network protection, incident response planning, employee cybersecurity, awareness training. Our mission is simple: to help organizations detect threats early, prevent breaches, and build true cyber resilience, because prevention costs far less than recovery. If you want to identify your ransomware risks, strengthen your defenses, or build complete cybersecurity strategy for 2026, get in touch with Apprise Cyber today. Don't wait for ransomware attack to test your defenses. Secure today, protect tomorrow. Stay resilient with Apprise Cyber.